beyond limits, a new dimension of innovation rooted in nature and spirit. In today's era of rapid transformation, the rules of success are no longer written by wealth, resources, or hierarchy. The new era belongs to those with a clear mind, bold spirit, and a connection to something deeper: nature, consciousness, and truth. We are living in an age where breakthroughs are not happening over generations, but within days. History is being rewritten, live. The barriers we once feared, money, access, power, are dissolving. What matters now is the mindset. Not what you have, but what you believe, what you pursue, and what you dare to build. Gone are the days when innovation meant waiting for capital or perfect conditions. The world's most advanced AI models are now being built with open-source collaboration, minimal infrastructure, and deep focus. Less resources, fewer constraints, yet astonishing results. Take deep learning AI models that have matched or even surpassed human-level performance. They weren't built by monopolies. They emerged from brilliant minds working with open data, limited compute, and limitless belief. This is the proof. Greatness no longer requires permission, it requires clarity. Innovation has entered a new dimension, a space not bound by tools or trends but by consciousness. We are seeing the rise of creators who are not just chasing efficiency, but embodying purpose. And that changes everything. We must shift our focus from chasing speed to embracing stillness, from following the crowd to following inner truth, from fear-based systems to fact-based creation. The future is not built on panic. It's built on deep reasoning, clarity of vision, and fearless execution. In this new world, competition is not a threat, it's proof of potential. The presence of many players means the idea is alive. Never fear competition. Never fear saturation. Nature doesn't believe in monopolies. It thrives on diversity, flow, and cycles of renewal. Even the tallest trees fall. Even the biggest companies fade. Everything is temporary. Everything transforms. That's the beauty of nature. Nothing is fixed, yet everything has meaning. The same applies to innovation. Technologies, platforms, even global systems, they all evolve. And if you understand nature's rhythm, you're never out of time. You're exactly where you're meant to be. When we look at nature, not through the eyes of profit, but through the eyes of purpose, we realize something powerful. Every system in nature is balanced. The sun gives light without charging us. Rivers flow without contracts. Trees offer shade and oxygen without ownership. This is intelligence beyond logic. It's the original open-source system. Now imagine combining this natural intelligence with human intention. What could we build? Not just apps or startups, but living systems. Solutions that not only solve problems but awaken people. Products that serve both the market and the soul. This is the calling of our generation, to innovate with intention, to build with consciousness, to bring together data and dharma, systems and spirit. So how do we begin? First, drop the noise, stop chasing every trend. Real innovation doesn't follow, it leads. It doesn't seek likes or applause, it seeks truth. Study the roots, not just the branches. Understand human needs deeply, beyond analytics, beyond profit. What do people truly need to feel whole, connected, and inspired? Second, trust the inner voice. That silent knowing, that pull towards something meaningful, that's your blueprint. It may not look logical now, but it will become clear as you act. Third, anchor your work in service. When your mission uplifts others, the universe moves with you. Whether you're writing code or composing music, filming a story or farming a field, if it's done with purity, it carries power. This is not spiritual fantasy, it's strategy for the soul, and it's more needed now than ever. We are entering an age where AI can write, design, predict, and calculate. But only humans can care, connect, and create with consciousness. That is our edge. That is our true intelligence. Let us not waste this moment trying to copy the past. Let's build the future we want to live in. Let's design systems that reflect our values: transparency, equality, harmony. Let's return to the root, nature. Let's listen to its rhythm. Let's build technologies that regenerate, not just scale. Let's imagine economies where growth means healing, Let's birth education that awakens, not just trains. This is a new dimension of innovation, one that is not about tools, but truth, not about profit, but purpose, not about speed, but soul. And this change begins now, with you, with one decision: to rise, to act, and to build beyond limits. Like and subscribe.